Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll make spaghetti and meatballs. So we have our minced meat there, and then our chopped onions, and then you add your spices. I have my seasoning, salt, thyme and pepper. Then add your breadcrumbs. You can also add biscuit crumbs if that's what you have. Then you add 1 egg to it. So what the egg and breadcrumbs do is it binds the meat together, so it will help me fry it and also help me mold it into balls. So with your clean hands you then mix together just like this, and then you then mold the meat into smaller balls like this, or smaller if you want, bigger if you want. Then time to fry. You pour some oil into a pan. So if you notice that my oil is little because I'm not doing deep frying, you add the meat to your pan and fry. So you keep frying until it's almost cooked, but not very cooked because it's still going to cook in the stew. So in a boiling pot of water, you add your spaghetti to cook your spaghetti. So I'm using bigger size of spaghetti here. You can use smaller size if you wish to, but I prefer the size of spaghetti. So you can see my spaghetti is soft and ready. So I'll just go ahead and drain the water off, and then we'll go to our stew. So this is the oil I use in frying the meatballs. So I add the onions to it to fry. And then you add your tomato paste to it. So as you can see, this is my tomato paste. So I'll be adding 2 spoons of tomato paste. Then you fry. So make sure you fry the tomato paste very well, so you will not get any crunchiness from the food. You can see I'll be frying for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll add my blended tomatoes to it. So this tomatoes is already cooked, as you can see, and there's no water in it. You add the tomato to it. Then you fry. You can see, then I add my blended pepper. So my pepper is not that blended, as you can see, and this is just how I like my pepper to be. You can blend your smooth if you want. Then I'll go ahead and add my spices now. So we have our pepper here, we have our seasoning, curry, salt and thyme, and you can see my bay leaf too. So you mix it all together and then fry. You can be frying for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add more water to it so it will cook very well. So I add my meatballs to my sauce. then just let it cook, so the sauce, the meatballs can then absorb the sauce and all the spice in it. And let it cook for about 5 minutes. As you can see, so my sauce has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. So this food smells so good and it tastes so good. It smells so good, man. So what I'm doing here now is taking my meatballs out of the sauce. So when I add my spaghetti to it, the meatballs will not So I'm adding my spaghetti to it now, so it mix very well. Incorporate the sauce with the spaghetti. You can see my food is almost ready. See the beauty of the food, and it smells so good. Then you add your meatballs to it. So we are almost done. As you can see, the food looks so delicious and it tastes delicious. You just have to try this delicious spaghetti and meatballs. And make sure when you try this food, you comment in the section, and also like my video, share to your friends, make sure you comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.